Grab a chip and prepare for some heat. National Spicy Guacamole Day is on November 14th. No longer solely the choice of Super Bowls and burritos, spicy guac has been making big moves through the culinary scene. From party dips to burgers and everything in between, there's always a reason for spicy guac. So pick some avocados and get mashing. On National Guacamole Day, sure, we celebrate the great green goo that is good guac. But on National Spicy Guacamole Day, we're here specifically for the extra kick that goes with adding chili peppers to that same green stuff. Because if you've ever tried chugging water after accidentally biting into a serrano or a jalapeno, you know there's no rush that comes nearly as close to that feeling that your tongue is going to burn off. Various global civilizations have been upping the ante in regards to the kick that comes from spicy peppers for centuries. Chili peppers are native to the Middle Americas and Mexico, all the way to the middle of South America, and have been a staple in Aztec, Mayan, and Andean cuisine for centuries before the Europeans came and shipped those peppers worldwide. Likewise, in Asia, the Sichuan pepper, which actually creates a numbing sensation rather than a spicy one, has been an integral part of Sichuan cooking for even longer. By contrast, guacamole, as we know it today, could not have even been possible until at least the 1490s after Columbus made his second journey to the Americas, dropping off Asian spices such as cumin and the Persian lime in the land of avocados. In fact, the dish actually developed out of an Aztec staple that translates to avocado sauce. It was pretty much just mashed avocados and salt. Over time, the dish spread throughout the Americas, and even to Europe, and variations on avocado sauces with add-ins, some of them spicy, eventually led to the classic guac as we know it today. National Spicy Guacamole Day falls during prime football season, where the stuff is consumed by the pounds on tortilla chip vessels as a critical game time snack. On this day, event is an educational project. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.